real quick, the grandsons and I are out here at Fast Lane Classic Cars. Ooh, there's a Transformer, there's a Terminator, there's Scissorhands, and a bunch of really cool cars. They just want to come out and look and walk around. We're here in St. Charles off of 3rd Street. Man, some of these cars are really cool. And a few of them I had in the past. I should have hung on to them. Anyways, just thought we'd share a quick video with you. If you like our video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. And you guys have a great day.